So this little puppy here, who is on my lap, and I'm showing her some videos of puppies barking. That's what I looked up on YouTube, just for fun. She appears that she's going to have a new home, and that's cool. Hi, honey. You hear that? You see it? It's interesting. The other puppy looks at the screen. This puppy doesn't. Look, little puppy. She's not used to me still. And, you know, I'm messing with her and putting her on my lap, and her feet are on the slippery table. So, it's okay. But I'm preparing myself for losing her, I guess. And it's okay. Hear that? What's that? There's a puppy on a video. Come here to look at the screen. So, I don't know if the dog rescue thing is going to work. It's fine, but I fall in love with dogs really easy, little puppies. And but the place she's going to is a big place. It's a little rancho. It's got a lot of land and trees, and it's got a really nice dog there who could use a puppy as company. This is scary, isn't it? All right. You want to go down? But you're on video. This is the last time we have together almost. I got 3 more days. The place she's gonna go needs to prepare, and but that's good. They care. So yeah.
Oh my gosh, you guys are so scary. Oh, ferocious. Oh, ferocious. Oh. Listen to
Yeah. Well, I haven't really bonded with this puppy deeply, so that's the only reason I'm willing to adopt her out. There's just too many puppies right now, and I haven't had time, and it's okay.
What?
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 Bark. Bark again.
You need to make like a YouTube account so you can watch puppies.
You're supposed to eat it.
Yeah. You gonna like your new home? And I did tell the people who were gonna adopt her that if it doesn't work out for any reason, she can come back. No problem. Bye.